We're in today with the HD 6870. This is a 2010 video card with 1120 shaders. It's got 1 GB of VRAM GDDR5 running at 900 MHz on the core clock, 1050 MHz on the memory clock, 256 bits bus width, DirectX 11, and today we're gonna pair it up with this E5-2699V4 with 22 cores with 22 threads and hyper-threading disabled. This is a very old video card, but the best thing we can do is just jump in a couple of games and see how it holds. Let's go. Let's start with Fortnite on 720p. I got 100% render scale here and it's doing a fantastic job. Look at this. It's working really nice. I got with 720p, I got 800 megabytes of VRAM utilized. This is actually a good performance from this video card. Only 1 gig of VRAM, so I can go 1080p and stuff like that. I think I have to keep 720p, and if I keep 720p, then I will have the best opportunity here to actually utilize the video card properly. 800 megabytes of VRAM. I keep saying this because this is very important. In this situation, is doing a fantastic work. 70% load on the core of the video card. You can actually see I can stress the video card, but I don't want to. I want to push the load on the CPU side in this case, so I can get the best out of this video card, because the most important thing is to distress it, you know. 920 megabytes of VRAM. Look at that. It's working really nice. This is the right way to do it with 720p. Where are you? Where are you shooting from? I don't know where he's shooting from. He's on a hill somewhere. Oh! Oh! Guy, it's on! Ah! Yeah, boy! Yeah, boy! Ah! I do you like a truck. Oh, lucky. Buddy, for jumping in Farlight with this video card on 720p with low details, I mean with smooth preset, you can actually see the video card is doing a fantastic job. It's utilizing the video card around 80-70% load. Nice performance, 650 megabytes of VRAM utilized. There is, if the video card core is maxed out, you can see that it's from 60 to 80-90%. It's gonna be loaded and it's not going to drop from 240 FPS. I like this idea of having leg room in front, you know, just for this type of purposes, because it's good, you know. If I have some environment, if I have some shooting, and if I have something that needs loading, I don't want the FPS to be dragged down, you know. I want the video card to handle the FPS at maximum. So in this case, you can actually see I got 240, sometimes 220, but if it's on that range, I think there is got no problems. In War Thunder with 720p and medium details, I got like 78 FPS. I mean, the video card can actually do the job, and I like the performance it's got here. Seriously, look at this. 999 megabytes of VRAM utilized. 60 degrees is not okay. I think the ambient temperature needs to be lower in this case, but the overall performance is good, you know. I like this video card, how it's performing here. 70-80 FPS with 68 degrees with 262 watts consumption. I will say this video card, it's on the top here. It's not performing like I want, you know. I think this is a good performance overall, but it's not the best. I think the best performance with this video card will be on 1080p with minimal or low details. I think that's the only way I can suggest a video card like this. I put it like this with medium details because I wanted to see if I can load up the VRAM, the core, and stuff like that. Well, based on the temperature, apparently I can. I like the performance. I like everything about this because it's doing a fantastic job. On the system side, I got 7.5 gig of system RAM used, 20-30% load on the CPU with 40 degrees. Even the CPU, it's getting hot here. I like this attitude this video card is offering. Considering the age of the video card, considering the specs I have here, it's a decent performance from an old video card like this. Imagine trying to play Dota with this video card. I put 720p with medium details to see how it's performing, but oh my god, I seen actually in a team fight with 30-40 FPS. Not okay, seriously. Maybe I should put this on lowest details in order to get the best performance. I got nearly 900 megabytes of VRAM utilized. It looks okay, you know, on this quality. 120 FPS here, but in the team fight it went to 30-50 FPS and not okay. My suggestion is medium details to low details with a video card like this, because that's the way it needs to be. I'm not complaining about the video card. I know I can set it up properly to play Dota 2 in this case. Look at it, 67 degrees maximum core load. It's got 1050 on the memory clock, so the memory clock is running at maximum, core frequency at maximum. Sometimes whenever you're not utilizing the video card, you know, it's dropping the frequency on the memory or on the core in order to keep the temperature and the efficiency low. I like it. I like that attitude this video card has whenever it's not utilized. But in this case, look at this, it's doing a freaking awesome job. In GTA 5 it's gonna be very interesting to see the performance. I put on DirectX 10 with 720p because I want to push this video card to the limit. I want to see the VRAM utilized, I want to see the core utilized, and at the same time I want to see this game running with high FPS. So in order to achieve that 720p, it was a generic resolution today with every single game, because I like this video card how it's performing, but I cannot push it more than 720p. Maybe 900p, but that will be an exaggeration with the games that actually has a render scale. In this case I have render scale, but I wanted to see at base how it's running with 720p. Normal details, because in this situation you can see that the performance is good. 800 megabytes of VRAM utilized, so the performance here is good. There is no problem on actually utilizing this video card, but the only thing I need to be concerned is the temperature. That is 69 degrees, 70 degrees on the video card. It's using the video card properly, the temperature is there, the VRAM is being utilized, you know, it doesn't reach maximum in this case, but with 720p you can see that you get over 100 FPS, and that is the most important thing in this case, you know, to get the FPS with an old video card like this. Yes, you can play older games, you know, that are running really well with this video card. I think it will be a very interesting idea, you know, to test this video card with some old titles, maybe an old operating system. What do you think? Leave a comment if you want to see this video card with an old operating system and older games, because it will be very interesting. I think older games will work even better with an old operating system and not on 720p. I think on 1080p it will be even better. But overall performance here in GTA 5 is good with this video card. Now imagine you try to play Counter-Strike with this video card. 2010 video card and you want to play Counter-Strike with this. I mean, I put the 720p in this case with highest performance mode on Fidelity FX in order to get a little more FPS. I put everything on low details and I got 30 FPS on average. I mean, the temperature is not that high, because in this situation I think the video card it's got a problem. Look at it, maximum VRAM utilization, 60% load on the core of the video card. It makes no sense. Let's try disabling that Fidelity FX. Without Fidelity FX, you can actually see I got more VRAM utilization, more core utilization, but I only got 20-30 FPS on this occasion, and I don't like it, you know. Something's wrong here, maybe some threads on the CPU side, I don't know, but I don't understand what's wrong with it, because I know the CPU can actually do the job. In this situation, I can clearly say that the video card is the problem, but I can't pinpoint out what is it. Seriously, what is the problem? I'm thinking that the driver is not fully optimized. I don't think it knows how to utilize this video card at maximum. I think this is because of the drivers. Even though the CPU doesn't have any problem, 10.5 gig of system RAM utilized, 250 watts consumption from the whole computer. I like the performance this video card is offering, but in some cases, because of the drivers, I think this is the problem, you know, 30 FPS, 40, 50 FPS. I mean, if you put Fidelity FX, you can see that you have a high chance on actually utilizing this video card. Warframe, it's apparently one of those games that works really nice on this. Oh no, Warframe, it's a game that works really nice on 1080p with this video card. Doesn't have any problems in this case and is being utilized properly. 850 megabytes of VRAM utilized at 99% load on the video card core. This is the right deal. 70 FPS on average. Definitely the right attitude this video card has. Seriously, in this situation I will not complain about the video card, because majority of the time you will get nice performance if you put the right games. Holding pretty well, 76 degrees. That's actually concerning on the video card when it comes to the temperature, because the temperature is not quite okay, you know, it's getting hot. Even the wattage is around 300 watts, and in this case I will say 300 watts for a video card like this. It's not okay with this system. I mean, overall performance is great, but I want more efficiency in this case. The only downside for this video card is that 1 gig of VRAM. I think if this video card had 2 gig of VRAM, it would have been awesome. Can I recommend a video card like this? No. if it's free or next to nothing, I recommend it, and you can keep it on the side as a spare GPU. I will never deny that, you know. I will never say no to something like that. If you can find it really cheap, it's worth having a spare GPU or having a GPU to restore an old machine. No question. It's very important to go efficient if you're interested on using a new operating system. To use this in a newer machine, yeah, no. I like the video card. I don't recommend it in a new machine. In an old machine, yes, but with old games. I think it managed to do today very well, but in order to do that performance, I have to go on 720p, and it was a very hard work for the video card in order to sustain that FPS. Overall performance was good with low resolution, but yeah, not something that I recommend every day. Don't get me wrong, I appreciate having the video card. I appreciate having the opportunity to play with the video card and show you. If you have any suggestion for this video card or for the system, leave a comment and I will see you very soon.